Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, starting this one out on Snapchat. And today we're going to talk about a new feature called Snappables. So Snappables are like an AR game that you can play with your friends within Snapchat. So what you want to do is tap on your face. That's going to open up this menu. And then these ones over here on the left are the Snappables games. So we can swipe over to this. It looks like there's a few different ones in here right now, and they'll sort of switch them out. From time to time, they'll give you new ones. This one's really weird. They'll give you different ones. So you might not have the same ones that I have, depending on when it is. What is this game? I'm gonna go to a different one. So then you'll be able to like participate in these games. So like this one is a bubble blowing one, so you would open your mouth and try and get it within this little ring right here. And when you go to it, there will be text that shows you what to do. Some of these are really weird, I don't know. Let's do the bubble blowing one. So I'm just gonna hit start, then blow some bubbles. There's this timer up here on the top. Then it starts recording on the bottom. It's so weird. It's such a weird experience. But there's that. And then of course you could add text and stuff on top of this, but down in the bottom right is a send button. You can send this to your friends or story as you normally would. And there's some additional information here. If we tap on this, it says you created a Snappable. Send Snappables to invite viewers to play along. They can add themselves to this snap, see who else is in it, and save or share it with others. Your stickers, drawings, and other creative edits are removed when a recipient joins in. Okay. So I could send this to someone or send it to my story. And they could also participate in this Snappable. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. That's how to do it. They're pretty weird. I'm not a huge fan of features like this. Some of the lenses over here are interesting just to use. Some of the funny face ones are fun sometimes, but the Snappables, they're okay. I personally probably won't be using them, but maybe they'll be something fun for a younger audience. So there you have it, a quick intro on how to use Snappables. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Also check out the Snapchat playlist. I'll link it down in the description. There's tons of videos on how to use Snapchat. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily videos on mobile apps, tech, social media, and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.